Welcome to our guide on how to rank your blogger website on Google. In this video, we'll cover proven strategies to boost your site's visibility, increase traffic, and climb the search engine rankings. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your SEO skills, these tips will help you optimize your content and outperform the competition. Let's get started. In our last video, we create this site on Blogger.com. If you not watched this video, you can watch now, link in the description and I button. First, log into your Blogger dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the settings section on the left-hand menu. This is where we'll configure the essential settings for SEO. Start by ensuring that your blog's title and description are optimized. Your title should be concise and include relevant keywords that describe your blog's content. The description should be a brief summary that also contains keywords, making it clear what visitors can expect. This helps search engines understand your site better. You can change your blog language. If you create your site on adult content, you need to turn on this option. Here you can add Google Analytics Measurement ID for Analyze Your Site. Go to Google Analytics site. Log in, then click on this admin button, click on Create, then click on Property. Now add your property details, follow me. You need to add your site URL and name. Then click on Create and Continue. Copy this code and paste in your theme. HTML after head section. Copy this measurement ID and paste here. Now you can add your site favicon icon like this. Next, if you haven't already, consider setting up a custom domain. Instead of using the default blogspot.com address, having your own domain name, like yourblog.com, can improve your credibility and help with SEO. To set it up, click on Custom Domain and follow the instructions to link your domain. Make sure to enable HTTPS redirect. This ensures that your site is secure, which is a ranking factor for Google. It also builds trust with your audience, knowing that their connection to your site is safe. Under Search Preferences, you'll find the option to add a custom meta tag description. This description is what appears in search engine results beneath your blog's title. Write a compelling, keyword-rich meta description that encourages users to click on your link. Another important step is configuring your custom Robots.txt and custom robots header tags. These settings give search engines specific instructions on how to crawl and index your site. Use the Robots.txt file to block irrelevant pages from being indexed and set up custom header tags to optimize how your content is indexed. Robot.txt is a description you can copy and paste in your site. Only replace this URL with your site URL. In homepage, tag select all and new DP. In archive and search pages, tag select noindex and new DP. In post and page tags, select all and new DP. Finally, integrate your blog with Google Search Console. This tool helps you monitor your site's performance in Google search results and identify any issues. You'll be able to submit your sitemap, track keyword rankings, and see how Google is indexing your pages. After making all these changes, don't forget to save your settings. These optimizations will help Google understand and rank your blog more effectively. That's it. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you optimize your Blogger settings for better rankings. In our next video, we're talking about how to write SEO-optimized posts that attract more visitors and keep them engaged. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. See you soon!
Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it.